Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at this antique mousetrap. This is a wire cage dome-shaped trap. This design came out of France and it was used extensively in the late 1800s and early 1900s. It was heavily advertised in hardware store catalogs. Here's one from 1929. Back then these typically sold for between 30 and 35 cents a piece. I'm still seeing modern versions of this trap being sold on Amazon and eBay, and that's because it works really well. It's so simple. The mouse climbs up the side, drops through the hole in the top. There's a little funnel here with spikes, that way it can't get out, similar to a minnow trap. And then you got them. In the morning you can release them by pulling this little lever on the bottom here and lifting up the bottom. You can catch multiple mice and it's a humane trap. I'm curious how well this is going to work. Let's go set it up with our pet mice. I need a pretty small one, so I'll use Flash, our wild mouse that we caught. See if she'll go in there, drop through the top to get the bait. That didn't take long at all. Flash climbed up the side of the cage, went through that funnel, is now in the bottom. We're going to let her go, and then we're going to go set this up in the barn and try to catch the wild mice. Last night we set up our dome-shaped wire cage mouse trap in the barn. Mouse climbed through the top, went through that hole to get the bait, and couldn't get out because of that wire funnel. Because this is a live animal trap, we're going to release it. To do that, you just lift this latch on the bottom here, lift up the floor, and the mouse is free to run away. This is an antique French-style mouse trap, and it works really well. It's a cool design.